Camera lens hoods are an essential accessory for any photographer. There are many products available to choose camera lens hoods, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camera lens hoods from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. JJC Camera Lens Hood Shade Fits. The JJC Camera Lens Hood Shade is a professional design lens hood that is compatible with Canon EF 75 to 300mm f/4-5.63 and USM, EF 55 to 250mm f/4-5.6 IS, and EF 55 to 250mm f/4-5.6 IS 2 lenses. The matte finish on the interior surface prevents lens flare, and the hood protects the lens from accidental impact and the elements. It also allows for attaching a 58mm filter and lens cap without removing the hood and does not cause vignetting. Number 2. 18 to 55mm Lens Hood Shade. The JJC lens hood is a versatile accessory designed for Canon RF 24 to 50mm f/4.5-6.3 IS STM lens, Canon EF 18 to 55mm f/3.5-5.6 IS STM lens, and EF 18 to 55mm f/4-5.6 IS STM lens. It serves as a replacement for the Canon EW63C lens hood, providing protection for your lens against accidental impact and the elements. The non-glare matte finish on the interior surface prevents lens flare, ensuring clear and high-quality images. With a 58mm filter and lens cap attachment, it offers flexibility for your photography needs. The JJC lens hood is compatible with various Canon camera models, including the Rebel T8i, T7i, T7, T6i, SL3, SL2, EOS R8, R10, R7, 90D, 80D, and 7070. Enhance your photography experience with this professional and durable lens hood. Number 3. 58mm set of 2 camera lens hoods. Enhance your photography and video footage with the Camkix 58mm camera lens hoods and cap. This set includes 2 rubber lens hoods that can be collapsed and a lens cap. The lens hoods block excess sunlight, reducing lens glare and flare and boosting the black in your pictures. They are compatible with all 58mm lenses and can be folded out in 3 steps to offer different levels of sun shading. The Tulip Flower lens hood is ideal for wide-angle lenses as it provides maximum shading without causing vignetting. With the rubber lens hood always attached to your lens, you can easily use it whenever you need it. Protect, clean, and enhance your DSLR or phone camera with other Camkix accessories available. Number 4. KNF Concept 58mm Tulip Flower Lens Hood. The KNF lens hood enhances your photography experience by significantly improving image quality. It effectively blocks unwanted stray light, helping you capture clearer images in challenging lighting conditions. This lens hood also provides essential protection against accidental smudges and foreign particles, ensuring your lens stays clean and safe. Its precision design minimizes the risk of vignetting, allowing for versatile shooting without worrying about light leakage. Additionally, the included microfiber cleaning cloth makes it easy to keep your lens spotless, enhancing convenience during your shoots. Number 5. 50mm Reversible Lens Hood Shade Fit. The reversible lens hood is a professional design that is dedicated to the Canon EF 50mm f/1.8 STM lens. It replaces the Canon ES 68 hood and offers flexibility, allowing attachment of 49mm filter and 49mm lens cap. The non-glare matte finish helps limit lens flare, and there is no vignetting with the hood on. It also protects the lens from accidental impact and the elements. Note that it is not fit for Canon EF 50mm f/1.8 and Canon EF 50mm f/1.82, as these 2 old lenses are supported by the Canon ES 62 hood.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.